Hello everybody, how is it going? In today's video, we are going to look at 50 expressions that you must know in order for you to speak English more naturally. Dans vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons voir 50 phrases que nous devons connaître pour nous parler anglais puis naturellement. Sans perdre de temps, on commence. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? Bonjour. Qui jan ou ye? Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm doing well. Thank you. Repeat after me. I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm doing well. Thank you. Mwen en forme. Merci. I'm doing well. Thank you. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Repeat after me. What are you doing right now? Ki sa wap fe kounye? What are you doing right now? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Mwen sou wout mwen. I'm on my way. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Later. Repeat after me. I'll call you later. M'apre l'hôpital. I'll call you later. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Esko ka ede mwen tan pri? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. Repeat after me. I don't understand. I don't understand. Mwen pa kompran. I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Repeat after me. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Eske ou ka repete sa? Could you repeat that? Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Repeat after me. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Kite m reflechi sou sa. Let me think about it. That makes sense. That makes sense. Repeat after me. That makes sense. That makes sense. Ça fait sens. That makes sense. I agree with you. I agree with you. Repeat after me. I agree with you. I agree with you. Mwen d'accord avec ou. I agree with you. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Repeat after me. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Mwen pa d'accord ak sa. I don't agree with that. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Repeat after me now. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Mwen pa fin certain de sa. I'm not sure about that. Very good, guys. Keep it up. What do you mean? What do you mean? Repeat after me. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ki sa ou vle di? What do you mean? Very good. Let's continue. It depends. It depends. Repeat after me. It depends. It depends. Ça dépend. It depends. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Repeat after me. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Ça, c'est une bonne idée. That's a good idea. Very good, guys. I don't think so. I don't think so. Repeat after me. I don't think so. I don't think so. Mwen pa pense sa. I don't think so. You're right. You're right. Repeat after me. You're right. You're right. Ou gen raison? You're right. I totally understand. I totally understand. Repeat after me. I totally understand. I totally understand. Mwen kompran parfaitement. Ou bien, mwen kompran net. I totally understand. I see your point. I see your point. Repeat after me. I see your point. I see your point. Mwen kompren sa vle di ya. I see your point. Very good, guys. Let's continue. I'm running late. I'm running late. Repeat after me. I'm running late. I'm running late. Mwen en retard. I'm running late. Very good, guys. Keep it up. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and share it with somebody else, guys. Si vous aimez travail là, pas oublier quitter yon like et puis quitter un commentaire et puis abonner avec chaîne nan parce que m'a poté en pile l'autre vidéo pour nous. Et puis pas qu'un bel pour corps, partagez la avec yon l'autre monde. C'est meilleure façon que vous capable supporter travail là. Let's continue. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Repeat after me. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Ma plan nan 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? Repeat after me. Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? Est-ce que vous attendez moi? Can you wait for me? I just arrived. I just arrived. Repeat after me. I just arrived. I just arrived. Mwen fèk rive. I just arrived. Very good, guys. Let's keep it up. I'm already here. I'm already here. Repeat after me. I'm already here. I'm already here. Mwen deja la. I'm already here. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. Repeat after me. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. Mwen bliye clé mwen. I forgot my keys. I lost my phone. I lost my phone. Repeat after me. I lost my phone. I lost my phone. Mwen perdi téléphone mwen. I lost my phone. I need help with this. I need help with this. Repeat after me. I need help with this. I need help with this. Mwen bezwen aide ak sa. I need help with this. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Repeat after me. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Est-ce que ou ka expliquer ça pour moi? Can you explain it to me? I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Repeat after me. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. M'a jwenn yon solution. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'm working right now. I'm working right now. Repeat after me. I'm working right now. I'm working right now. Mwen ap travay kounye. I'm working right now. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Repeat after me. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. M'a retounen jwenn nou. I'll get back to you. Let's schedule a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting. Repeat after me. Let's schedule a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting. An planifiye yon réunion. Let's schedule a meeting. I'll send you an email. I'll send you an email. Repeat after me. I'll send you an email. I'll send you an email. Ma voye yon email ba ou. I'll send you an email. I'll check and let you know. I'll check and let you know. Repeat after me. I'll check and let you know. I'll check and let you know. Ma vérifier epi fè ou konnen. I'll check and let you know. I'll check and let you know. Very good, guys. That is how the native talk. I'll check and let you know. I'll check and let you know. Ma vérifier epi fè ou konnen. Let's continue. That's not my responsibility. That's not my responsibility. Repeat after me. Let's take it slowly. It's not difficult. That's not my responsibility. That's not my responsibility. Sa pa responsabilité mwen. That's not my responsibility. Responsibility. That's not my responsibility. Practice, guys. Practice makes you better. Just keep practicing these phrases and you'll get better at them. Ok? Kontinye pratike fraz sa yo epi nap vin pi bon nan prononse yo. I'm available tomorrow. I'm available tomorrow. Repeat after me. I'm available tomorrow. 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 I'm available tomorrow. Mwen disponib demain. I'm available tomorrow. I'm busy at the moment. I'm busy at the moment. Repeat after me. I'm busy at the moment. I'm busy at the moment. Mwen okipe kounye. I'm busy at the moment. Let's discuss this later. Let's discuss this later. An diskite sa pita. Repeat after me. Let's discuss this later. Let's discuss this later. An diskite sa pita. Let's discuss this later. I need more information. I need more information. Repeat after me. I need more information. I need more information. Mwen bezwen plis informasyon. I need more information. I need more information. What's going on? What's going on? Repeat after me. What's going on? What's going on? Ki sa kap pase? Very good, guys. Keep it up. What's going on? Long time no see. Long time no see. Repeat after me. Long time no see. Long time no see. Ça fait longtemps nou pa we. Long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? Repeat after me. How have you been? How have you been? Ki jan ou te ye? How have you been? That sounds great. That sounds great. Repeat after me. That sounds great. That sounds great. Ça sonne très bien. That sounds great. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about that. Repeat after me. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about that. Mwen eksite pou sa. I'm excited about that. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Repeat after me. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Mwen pa interese. I'm not interested. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. Repeat after me. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. Peut-être yon l'autre fois. Maybe another time. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Don't forget, guys, to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel because I will be bringing you more videos. Pa bliye, guys, kite yon like, kite yon kommentaire, epi ankouraje travay lan. Epi pa bliye, abone, epi partaje li avèk yon lot pou m kapote plus videyo pou nou. On continue. That's interesting. That's interesting. Repeat after me. That's interesting. That's interesting. Ça intéressant. That's interesting. This English lesson is very interesting. If you agree, leave a comment and let me know. Is this English lesson interesting? I am sure it is. So don't forget to share it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Can you repeat after me? I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Mwen vreman apresye sa. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Repeat after me. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Prends soin tèt ou. Take care of yourself. Very good, guys. You guys did perfect. C'est tout ça que m'te pote pou nou jodi, hein. Pa bliye kite yon like, epi kite yon kommentaire, epi abone avèk chen nan, paske ma pote plis videyo leçon pou nou konsa, pou ede nou ameliore nan Anglè. Epi en attendant, gade lot videyo sa yo ki affiche sou ekran, pou nou ka kontinye apprendre Anglè avèk mwen. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.